Yes, this is NJ. Today again with a little tech talk unboxing of a jack stand. Supposed to be a pain in the box. Another jack here. Some DUROPRO and some BONAIRE brands. Purchase it down here. 3 ton. So the capacity supposed to take 3 ton. Also the jack stand supposed to be 3 ton. So let's see what it actually have in the box. So first thing, some box. One maybe piece of on top with the different grooves. So for different level it will lock into these pieces here. And of course one stand. Now this modulus looks like a company making 1,000 of these and selling it to 6, 7, 8 different companies and just put a name on it. This don't look like a company by the name of BONAIRE actually making this. It more look like one company makes a lot. Well, they manufacture the product and then they end up putting their brand onto it. So there's no way where the brand itself stamped into or properly labeled. But then again, I don't know better. One in the box. And of course it have a little booklet showing you the brand name, how much tons, 3 tons, capacity steel, Amazon jack stand. Then they run you through little things you could do, how to put it in, you raise up the handle and then you lock it back. You know how we do it. This so putting this inside, it's steady, strongish. Put this inside there, you raise this up, this will let it go down. See, when you let it go, it will lock wherever you have it. So if I raise it up, lock, 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 drop it. Now, so we go into the DUROPRO. So again, of the manual. So this is a 3-ton low profile service jack. So if it is you need to jack up like a drop low vehicle or a car, this could also do it, and also lift up like a light truck or something. There's only 3 tons. Don't look to lift up train or a bus with it. Same thing with the, well, for you who using it, use the manual. Now there's one part of the handle. You see that they have a pin for the locker. There's the pin assembly inside there. So when you push it into the pipe out of the jack, it will lock with this pin. So now you want that. This is another part. And there's a nice kind of handle. The handle to pump up. Now we are asking why or what is this here. This is a nice material. So when you push it under the vehicle, every time you jack up and you come down, it say the bumper or this panel in the area, in line where it's coming up, when it hit it, it wouldn't damage the paint or scratch the vehicle components. So that was this nice cushiony foamish material is. So this will be going into the jack itself. So this is the jack itself. This part here is a little soft, more plastic, and a whole steel. This is steel here on the outside. This little piece is plastic. Little plasticish kind of wheels. I don't know what type of material it's made up of, but it's something. It would be something hard and durable to take 3 tons weight. And this is the jack here itself. So nice coat of paint. This is a grease nipple for this lever on this side here. So let me take it out. Alright, so it's out of the box. This is what we're looking at. Maybe this is a little pan to put the little screws on the bolts from the tire or something. I could rest it inside here. I don't know what it is for, but more or less that's the purpose. Very smooth for a jacket. However, not so smooth. Yeah, I was by some people and boy, that jack stand. Gosh. Now let me see inside there. I can't move that way. That thing heavy. Yeah. Right. See that nut here? Don't know exactly what it's for. But I was slapping it. Yeah, maybe they did not tighten that, lock it. So inside there, as you can see, inside there, square inside there. I have a part inside there, square. So that will go inside and that will go inside it. Alright, so you see now? So it goes inside there and you can turn it left anti-clockwise, and that will depressurize the hydraulics, and you turn it clockwise and that will lock it so you can jack up more or less. We have some sort of safety device here. I don't know right now how to take out that sort of safety device. Anyway, I'm going to put in this nut there to hold the handle. So you can still spin it. And I'm going to figure out a way how to take out this safety device from right here. Right, the sad thing is that I went for a screwdriver, trusty screwdriver, and I sort of prise and put it at the bottom and I'm trying to push it out, and all it really took was for me to push down the handle, hold it like this, and take it out. As easy as that. Now what does the stoppage from the handle going back up? Because I have a spring device in it. You understand? Some springs that cause the handle to always go up straight. So it makes it easy for you. So you see? And look how fast that thing going up. Way! Wow! 2 pumps, you know. Wow, 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 way! And of course, well, depressurize it, turn it anti-clockwise and back down. But watch how fast it's going up. Watch it at that. Look now. 1, 2, 3. I look like a vehicle fall off, you know. Right, and this is just the safety lock to always push back if you don't want it up. Just go back inside and boom, that's it. So, anti-clockwise, spring loaded again, it will send it back down. Now, if you watch on the handle, I didn't show you, but on this side of the handle, and I don't need to have a hole, and there's where this piece going in. So, you put it right here, and if you can see, you press the pin, 17, spin it, and circle. Alright, here it lock. Alright, oh yes, look it right there. So I'm going to do it over. That's right. So, because I could see it now. Right. So you take it, put it here. I wouldn't, can't do that, so you have to press it down. Push it in. You might not line up first this first time, and you just turn it to find the hole, and boom, it lock. And there's the handle. Now we still have this part here. This part here, and this part. So let me take out this safety. Well, maybe that is what this is for. And here they go up. Take out these bolts. Gosh. Okay, let me get something again for that. I'll be back. Right, so when then I get a 5/8, I think. Yeah, 5/8 spanner. So I'll open this. So I don't only do plumbing. As you see, a little electrical. No, I don't only do fixing pumps. Here I also do unboxing. So right, so this here is a foot arm pump. So instead of using the handle, you can take this as the handle straight, and you could before you carry down the handle. So look like there. I won't be able to see, but this is how it is. And as you can see, the nut have a lock washer. So when you put it up now, it's difficult for it to come back out. So the lock washer is important. You didn't just put a flat washer, that would have back out. Right? I'm going to tighten it down. Right. I don't think you see no going on there. Yeah, nice water. Not too tight to strip it. Yeah, because you know these things, Chinese made, and you look to play mad, and you know what could end up happening. You might want to know it's playing mad, meaning going beyond the point that you know it's supposed to be. So if you know the torque setting is a certain amount and you want to go beyond that, you can end up in some problems. Right, so to show you how the foot pedal is, then now on the foot, right, you turn it clockwise to lock it, and then you go with your foot, you jack up. So you fast, and then you use the real power to lift. So the bar will give you the maximum performance of this lifting. Right, and then you want it down anti-clockwise, spin the handle, and then go straight down. So I know you're waiting to see how we're going to work. So I'm going to put it on this vehicle here. I'm going to change some oil so you will all see just now. Well, boy, so amazing how easy this thing is. This thing moving easy and smooth, but now I don't know on any vehicle where I'm going to put it. No, I just use my little small jack. So let me see if I can set up right here. You all see me? Right, I think you all see me. Right. So clockwise lock it. You don't need it. Set up. See, same thing I was saying. Watch how it hit in there. No, it was metal to metal. You end up digging up your paint. So not that. And if you watch on before, you see paint. The paint more there from the other jack, I think. This is me here jacking up. Easy. Taking my time. I ain't getting the full movement of the handle. But just a little I get in is just enough. I'm going up. Now, I'm going to show you exactly what jacking up here. And I think I'm not in the right area. Could I go down a little bit more? So, I'm going to drop it back down. Oops. Now let me move this camera. Disaster. Alright, so here's me cranking it back down. I'm going to position it a little further back. Tighten it back. Alright, I'm going to get right which way. Right there. Right, tighten. I'm going back up. But then, you don't really study too much about this van because this van had its years and bang up, so a little bit of paint come off it. It's small thing. I'm going back up. It's working very smooth and nice. Yeah, no, better than the single, the one I had from before. Yeah, that is performing. Make me work so much easier. And the distance I can raise now. Here's the two jacks. Okay. One here. One there. Then you take your time, anti-clockwise to slacken, and we come down slow. So, analyze it. So really jack here just for safety. And there is it there. Both tires off the ground. Easy. I don't bring much of a sweat in doing it. And that tire off the ground, balance. So I could go on there now and change the oil. So happy to show you the 3-ton jack. I see in 3T DUROPRO, and this next one is the BONAIRE 3 ton also. So nice. Over and out.